Many people think Microsoft Word is the fastest way to create a funeral program, but that's not always the case. Word is great for documents that are mostly text, but when you start working with formatted layouts like funeral program templates, things can quickly become frustrating. Personally, I don't even like using Word for creating something as memorable as a funeral program. The truth of the matter is, Word has never been or never will be a graphics program. It's a text editor with added functionality to do minor graphical things. One of the biggest challenges with Word is that it behaves differently depending on the version and operating system. Word on one computer may look completely different on another. Even simple tasks like inserting a photo can change depending on the version of Word someone is using. Honestly, this can really make me crazy. But okay, Word actually works just fine when you're editing heavy text documents. If you're simply typing or updating the obituary, the order of service, or other written sections, using a Word template can work for you. But when you start moving photos, adjusting layouts, or changing design elements, Word becomes much harder to control. The formatting can shift unexpectedly and the layout can break. I've spent a lot of time on the phone assisting customers through their Word issues, and who ultimately end up using Google Docs because of the lack of time, simplicity, and easier-to-use interface. That's why we highly recommend switching to Google Docs templates. Google Docs works inside your browser and looks the same on every computer. It is user-friendly, intuitive, and very easy to use. It can do the same and much more than using Microsoft Word, and is superior in many aspects. The tools are consistent, photos are easier to manage, and you don't have to worry about different software versions. This is the answer for those very short on time and needing a user-friendly, easy-to-use software. And did I mention it's free to use? Because the majority of our calls are assisting customers with Word issues, I'm going to be doing more videos on our Google Docs templates, so you can see how easy it is to use. I know some people use Word out of familiarity, but there is a better tool to get the job done, and that's Google Docs. No, this video is not sponsored by Google. I wish, but I'm just recommending it based on experience and others I've helped. If you're only editing text, Word can work perfectly fine. But if you want to create a funeral program quickly and easily, Google Docs templates are often the better choice. The funeral program site offers professionally designed templates that help families create beautiful memorial programs without the formatting headaches. Each DIY template we offer includes a Word, Publisher, Apple Pages, and Google Docs template file, so you can choose whichever software is best for you. The bottom line is this: if you're in a hurry, have a short time frame to get the program done, or a beginner and not technical, it's best not to use Word to do your editing. This in the end will save you time and headaches while you're creating your printed memorial, even when you're using a template. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one, but until then, take care and bye for now.